fall like drops. Gentle keys whisper through the rain. Vinyl crackle hums in the dark. A warm glow flickers. No rush, no pain. The rain fades and softly returns. Piano lingers steady, it yearns. Vinyl pops, the world feels still. A moment to breathe, time to refill. Each note drifts like clouds in the night. Shadows stretch under dim lamplight. Ambient rain, a soothing refrain, wraps the room in a cozy domain. The sound dissolves, yet stays the same. A cycle of calm, a steady frame. Repeat the crackle, repeat the rain. Forever soft, forever